So I got to the factory this morning and the security guard was wearing headphones like this that once you're wearing these, you don't really hear what's going on. So I stood in front of him and clapped my hands a couple times, said his name loudly a couple times, and he didn't hear me. He was watching a YouTube video or something. I don't know what it was on his phone. And so I finally got his attention and gave him shit because we're not paying him to watch YouTube videos, and he's sitting there not aware of what's going on. So we have some solutions for this. We just got these yesterday in the mail, and one thing we noticed was sometimes the security guards are sleeping and when they should be paying attention. Oops. So we got these. This is a body cam and records everything that they see. So security guards will be required to wear these. So if they are sleeping like that, on the resting their head on a table or something like that, then that will record the table that they're resting on or whatever. So this will hopefully help deter things like that. And so we're going to figure this out. Have to get it all configured. So we'll do that tomorrow. I think there's it takes video as well as snapshots, so we'll see how that works. And then we have one other thing we're doing as well. The other thing is that we want to make sure that they're not just sitting there all day long and not paying attention to the whole factory of what's going on. So we have this device which works with these, where are they? Little, should be little tags. Oh, here they are. So here's a set of 10 tags, and these tags will be placed around the factory. So every X period of time, they have to go through each tag and detect them that they actually checked in. So they have to check in at all these different points, and that makes sure that we have the full perimeter covered, and there's that they're not just sitting there and not doing anything. So this will, I think, be a really good system to increase our security. And we mostly just want to prevent people from breaking in and stealing fiberglass and resin materials and stuff like that. So as long as we keep an active presence, that's really what we want to do. They're not really security guards. We used to call them security guards. Now we just call them night watchmen, because that's really all they're doing, is they're just having a physical presence. And if you have someone at a location all the time, then it's a pretty good deterrent for people not getting any funny ideas of wanting to break in and steal stuff, because there's always someone there and they're always keeping an eye out. So yeah, that's the idea. Once actually Rudy came to the factory really early in the morning, and one of the guys, he doesn't work with us anymore, obviously, we found him. He actually set up a hammock under the C-Pod prototype that we're building, and he was fast asleep. So Rudy had words for him. It was kind of funny. Anyway, so yes, so we're always trying to make things better around the factory, and these are some of the things we're implementing this week to just make things work better. So that's your factory update for today.